What are we gonna do now, Brendan?
Next blind bag.
Yeah, one more. Okay. What's in there?
Ooh, that's a crazy one.
Crazy guy. That's a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, look at that crazy looking guy.
Surely alive. Lion. Lion. Ooh, maybe this guy can beat up our guys.
Do you know what he looks like? Are you looking at the pictures?
Okay, he looks like that. Here we go.
This tape box a little.
I give him, I look, his hand like that. Oopsie, what is this? His capes.
He has 2 capes. Do you know how to put the cape on? How do you do it? Like, oh, I see. You kind of cross it over each other. Let me say just one hand. All right, we're having trouble putting them together, but I think we got him now. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Wow, buddy. Oh, let's see the 2 you got. So you
Them
got.
are their friends.
Okay, see them? Oh, wow, look at them.
Them high-fiving because them did it. Uh-oh, we broke
Uh-oh.
him.
And then let me see your little dude. Oh, not that little actually.
Let's high-five.
It's hard five.
We didn't
So
get
you got that guy and her. Oh, they're right on top of the 20. She's on top of him. Good job, Brenda.